friends, how are you all? So today we are making pizza. So first subscribe my channel for more such wonderful videos. Click the bell icon please, and leave your suggestion in the comment box below. So let's look at the recipe. So first you want we see. So first we need a pizza base. This is a ready-made pizza base. But first press the pizza base this like, okay. Then we need a normal cheese, processed cheese. This is called processed cheese, okay. So we need next pizza topping like pizza sauce, okay. This is Dr. Oetker brand. Then we need Szechuan chutney. This is optional, you can skip this. Then we need oregano. This is Kia company. Then we need red chili flakes. This is also Kia company. And then we need my favorite, very delicious, my life, mozzarella cheese. So first we need a tawa. Okay. So put the pizza on, because if we put in a oven, the lower part of this pizza will not get will get burned. Okay. So first I change tawa because this tawa is not proper, so I change. So for the topping, we are cutting onion, one tomato. So this is our processed cheese, this one. And this is my life mozzarella cheese. But the mozzarella cheese is very expensive. The one packet is 105 rupees. So, and this processed cheese also 106 rupees. This is rupees 89. This oregano cost of 109 rupees. The red chili flakes, the rest will come between 80 rupees. This is not very expensive. And this pizza is very, very cheap, because I know, because I purchased two packet. In one there is two pizzas. Let me see. And this, and this is one, because I use in this. See this, the pizza is very, very cheap, because 30 rupees. This come out at 30 rupees. So you can see, this is our mozzarella cheese, very tasty, delicious. So we have take one onion, finely chopped. So first we will take pizza sauce. आप हम लोगों ने लगा दिया है. सम सेकेंड लेंगे शेजवान चटनी. Szechuan chutney is optional, you can skip this. So we have finely chopped onion. So then we have finely chopped tomato, and our toppings are onion, tomato, processed cheese, mozzarella cheese, oregano, chili flakes. So first add mozzarella cheese.
बस
ज़्यादा डालना होता है. So then we are taking processed cheese and then this like method. So then add tomatoes and your veggies, tomatoes and onion, and then add our chili flakes and oregano. Place it in a microwave for 5 minutes. First you can take 3 minutes and then 2 minutes. So only 1 minute is left. अगर मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ तो आपका पिज़्ज़ा एकदम हो रहा है अच्छे से. मतलब चीज़ सॉरी चीज़ के जगह पीस बोल दिया. चीज़ से एकदम मस्त ऊपर आ रहा है. फ़ोन में नहीं दिख रहा है लेकिन इसमें बहुत परफेक्ट दिख रहा है. सो आवर पिज़्ज़ा इज़ डन. You can see some leakage is done by our sauce, but don't worry. So yeah, pizza is done. We are cutting in pizza. देख सकते हो आप, देखो कैसे चीज़ चिपक गया है. So there we go. Our pizza is ready. Wow, very delicious. The pizza is very hot. You can see. With cheese. You can see cheese strings. जब मैं खा रही हूँ तब चीज़ की स्ट्रिंग्स बाहर आ रही है. So there we go. Eat cheese. So मैं आपके सामने मेरा पिज़्ज़ा खाना चाहती हूँ. इधर कुछ लग गया चिली फ्लेक्स. So pizza is very well good.